Hello and welcome back to another YouTube video. Oh, I forgot to turn off my PlayStation. If you hear like a fucking tornado, that's why. Nice. Today I actually I think I posted the YouTube video yesterday talking about stuff I was getting from Ouchh and Angel Ruche. So I literally received this in the mail today at my doorstep. It's literally Saturday and mail usually never gets to me on weekends. So this was so exciting, and I already did a video where I was showing how I did this makeup look for like Instagram and TikTok. So I think I'll link that down below if you're interested to see how I did that or how I did this look. I'm gonna try to not talk that much, but welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Victoria. I'm from Oslo, Norway. I also sometimes travel to London to see my boyfriend or friends and different things. So yeah, for this PR haul we're unboxing stuff from Ouchh and Angel Ruche. I actually think it's mainly Angel Ruche, but I remember asking for one thing from Ouchh. Also, I don't know if the video throughout is gonna be a little bit laggy or something, like move weirdly. I've just noticed that lately when I've been filming with this camera it's just been acting kind of weird. So if that happens, I don't know why it happens, and that's all the information I can give about that. So let's open her up. This is a big package as well. Like usually I get like 2 items, not 2 items, but maybe like a dress and a set or something, but this is big. I'm very interested to see what's inside. Okay. Ooh. Okay, yeah. As I suspected. Oh my god, this is exciting. Okay, so these are all the items. I am so excited. The gift, it's 2 bows. 2 gingham bows. And as suspected, I only got 1 item from Ouchh, but the rest is from Angel Ruche. So let's start with Ouchh. And I asked for this Hello Kitty jacket. Oh my god, because I saw my friend wear it too. And I don't mind wearing black, but I like having black items that are cute as well, you know. And I just love Ouchh. Like, the store is so cute. Like, everything they sell is so cute. So happy that they have plus sizes as well. This jacket is similar to the one I have in white. This fabric is a little bit rougher, but it's very like firm and kind of like thick, which I kind of like, because it's like it's a little bit tightening and it just like makes you look hot. I mean, even if it wasn't tightening, you would look hot anyways. I hope you can see this. Now it's like lagging a little bit. I'm not sure why. I'm gonna add a separate clip like showcasing the jacket, because yeah, it looks very cute. It's like black, pink and white. Very cute. I'm excited to try it on. I'm gonna try them on separate, so I'm not gonna do it right now, but if I have something to say about them when I try it on, I will add that in the clip as well. But yeah, this is the thing that I asked for from Ouchh, which I got, and this is in size I think everything is in the biggest size that they offer, so this is 3 and 4XL. Their sizes do run small. I think it is Asian sizing, so just keep that in mind. It has some stretch, but again, it's more of the like spandex tight type of feel, so it does have a lot of stretch, but it will also fit tight, I think. I'm not sure. Sometimes I say it, but then I'm like, maybe I am just not this size, you know, and it just does fit me. But I feel like it's supposed to look like kind of those like, not BBL jackets, but like similar to that, so it should be a little snug. I guess I'm just saying, like, if you are like plus size and wanted something a little bit baggy, then I don't think this is for you, but this is very hot. So if you want to be hot and snatched and not hot and baggy, go for this one if you like black. But they also have it in pink and white as well, just letting you know. So yeah, so matching with this jacket, I wanted to wear these bloomers from Angel Ruche. Let's move over to Angel Ruche. I also don't know if I'm saying it right. I feel like I used to say Angel Ruche, but I feel like I've heard other people say Angel Ruche. So anyways, I feel like Angel Ruche sounds fancier, so I might go back to that, but now in my head it's like a muscle memory to say Angel Ruche instead of Angel Ruche. But anyways, we have these bloomers. I like it. Is it like, it always makes it so much brighter than it needs to be. I don't know how to do this. Like, I feel like I've had a lot of issues with like coloring and like shading and and stuff on camera now and like editing. Like sometimes clips are like really dark, but sometimes it's really light, so I don't know what to do. But we have these bloomer shorts. They look like this. The bow is also pink. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's pink. It's very cute, and the waist is pretty stretchy as well. Same with the bottom, like where the thighs are, they stretch pretty far, which I like. I have them in white that I'm selling. I'm tempted to keep them though, just in case I actually find stuff to wear it with, but the only issue is that they're pretty short. Yeah, I don't know what to say actually. But I really wanted to wear these with the jacket. I think this will be a pretty nice look. I'm definitely gonna start using this for like everyday or like errands and like, you know, when you want to be cute and casual kind of thing, because it's pretty much just like a jacket, but it's also really cute and nice. So yeah, but yeah, these are also really nice, and I actually don't have any black pairs like this, I think, or I do have one from Shein, but I don't really wanna. I wanna like try to get out of Shein and like find other places that I can show off or use. So yeah, I'm very happy that I have these now. Okay, so next from Angel Ruche, we have the knitted set. I wasn't sure if I actually mentioned it to her or not, so that's why I mentioned it in the 2025 wish list as well. And the reason why I didn't mention the PR stuff was because I knew I was already getting them, so I think it's just like, I don't know, more fair to say that I want something that I know that I won't get, or something that I don't know I will get. Hope that made more sense. We have this knitted set. Here is the sweater. Let me switch the hanger to this. This is the sweater, and it looks so cute. I absolutely love knitted sets. They just look so comfortable and so cute. Also, look at this detail. The zipper is a heart. Oh my god, that's adorable. I'm so excited to wear this. And also, again, this is size 3 and 4XL. This is actually pretty stretchy as well, so I don't think it would be an issue for me. Like sometimes some stuff are too tight. I'm not saying that the other jacket is too tight, but I'm saying like sometimes stuff can be too tight and it's like very uncomfortable tight. So I'm very happy that these are like very stretchy, especially when it's like knitted stuff. I love when it's like a comfortable fit and stuff. I am so excited to wear this one, and I definitely know that I'm going to wear this a lot, because I don't really have any white proper like cropped jackets. I have one, but it's like always going like, it's way too cropped. I have another cardigan that's like way too big, so it keeps like falling off my shoulder, but this is like the perfect color and the perfect fit. It's like more of the jacket type, not a cardigan, and the length is also a length that I really like, so that's good. Anyways, let's move on to the skirt. This is actually so cute. I actually thought the skirt was longer, which was why I was a little bit unsure if I actually wanted it or not, because sometimes skirts looks a little bit weird when they're a certain length on me, but these are like, these look perfect. I'm actually kind of shocked now. They literally look like shorts, but there are shorts underneath. They're built in, which is very nice. Very, very nice. I'm so happy with this. Oh my god, I'm actually gonna scream. And this is the waist thing. I'm pretty sure she folds them either in half or like you can fold it however you want, so it looks like this kind of. I think this is like one of the things I'm like the most excited to try now. Oh my god. And the color as well, it's not like that egg white, it's like proper, like it is off-white, but it's the good type of off-white. It's not like too yellow and it's not too dark, but it's very like, it looks white. It's like the white type of off-white. The white type of off-white. That sounds weird, but I hope you get what I mean. Also, the waist, very stretchy. All of my muscles, that's how stretchy it is. It's like so stretchy. Also, let's look at the shorts, like the bottom part of the shorts. They're also pretty stretchy. Sorry, I'm not gonna talk too much about it. I'm just very, very, very excited, as you maybe can tell. Okay, and next we have one of their ballerina sets in white as well. In the 2025 wishlist, I mentioned that I wanted the skirt in white. I think the skirt separate from the set was sold out, but the set was still available in my size. 3 and 4XL. I did have the set in pink, and I ended up selling it. One, I was poor. Two, I was more looking for the skirt, but I was thinking like, I think people would like to buy the whole set instead of like part of the set if it's something that they really wanted, you know. But that time it wasn't PR, it was actually like I bought it myself with my own money. But this time it's PR and it's the white set, and I think I actually want to keep this because I've seen a lot of inspirations of how to like style them separately, especially with the skirt. So I was really looking forward to get the skirt. First part of the set. Second part of the set, we have this cardigan. It's like a wrap thing that you do. It has a lot of like lace that you can like wrap around your body or waist. This is the back. I love the color, I love the lacing, I love the print of this set as well. And then last to the set is the skirt. This is what it looks like. 3 ruffle layers. Looks like this. So adorable with a bow. Also built-in shorts. The shorts are very stretchy. It seems pretty stretchy here, but when you come to the ruffle layers, they don't really have that much pull. When you actually put it on these other layers, they're not as stretchy. So I just want to inform you guys about that. So yeah, very excited to try it on and style it and wear them. So yeah. So now we have the last set, which is the blue knitted set. I am so excited about this. They also had the same ballerina set in mint, which I wanted to use with this set, but it was sold out, so I just asked for this set instead. Oh my god, look at this. This is actually a set with pants and not a skirt. But look at this color. Oh my god. It looks like this. In real life, I think it's more blue than it shows up on camera. I might try to film this with another camera as well, or my phone, so you can see the proper color. I have a mode that makes everything a little bit brighter because my room is kind of dark to film in anyways, and I only have like one source of like camera light. So I actually have 2, but the other one is like tweaking. Bro, it's tweaking. This one, I'm actually not sure if I have this in pink or not, but I have it from another store that's called Tricot, and I really liked it, so I think this will be really nice as well. I like the length. You can like tuck it as well into skirts or whatever. Yeah, I don't know, I'm so excited to wear this. Like, I can't express how excited I am. Look at that gorgeous tag, what the hell. I love stuff with bows. So yeah, very excited to try this on. And the last item is the pants to the set. It's so long. Wow, it's really long. This is the waist. It's kind of the same as the white skirt, the white knitted skirt. I remember wearing pants like this in like middle school, I think it's called. Not sure, but I remember really enjoying pants like this. So yeah. These are the blue pants, and the bottom is wide, which I really enjoy. I'm not really the biggest fan of like pants that are like scrunched at the bottom, so this is really nice. I am so excited to wear this and actually like enjoy it. I don't know if you've seen Get Ready With Me's on my other social medias, but I almost always wear the Hello Kitty pants, and they're from Ouchh. Like, they're so comfortable. I can't express how comfortable they are. It would be so nice if she had like a crop jacket with it as well. That would be delicious. I would wear that literally every day. But yeah, this unboxing is now over. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Also, let me know your favorite pieces if you have any of them, or maybe some of the items are on your wish list. I think this was a good video. Also, let me know if you think videos like this is interesting. This is very much like a spontaneous video that I just made because I just got the package, and I always just open them to see, you know, how they look, try to plan outfits and different things like that. Maybe I can do another video styling something that I get in PR as well. So yeah, just say whatever and I will read it and answer. Also, follow me on my other social medias if you haven't already. This is my Instagram and this is my TikTok. Also, if you are a Pinterest enjoyer like me, this is my Pinterest. I almost said this is my YouTube, but this is you're already here. Again, really hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in another one. Goodbye.